Hey everyone, today's makeup look is for Diamond Xtreme All Stars. We're rocking some green eyeshadow with a classic red lip. This eyeshadow is super pigmented, so it's gonna really pop when you're on the mat. And the look is super easy to do, so grab your makeup and let's get started.
So I'm starting out with a little bit of loose powder under my eye, and that helps with any eyeshadow fallout. We'll sweep it away later. Now I'm adding some eyeshadow primer. This gives it a really great base for your eyeshadow to stick to. Now we're going to add that dark brown eyeshadow color, and I like to use an eyeshadow brush that has a dome shape end to pack in the color. So start applying that brown color into the outer corner of the eye, creating a V shape. And repeat on the other side. Next we're using the green eyeshadow color, and I like to use my fingertip to apply here, so pat your fingertip into the green eyeshadow color and tap it along your eyelid, filling in all the space from the inner corner all the way to the outer corner with that smoky brown color. Next I'm using a fluffy eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to blend those eyeshadows and soften that look. Now we're going to use that white gold color to highlight the inner corner of the eye. So I like to use a Q-tip here, gently pull the top of that cotton bud apart and pick up some of that white gold color, and then swirl it into the inner corner of the eye near the tear duct. And that will give you a really pretty highlight. If you have any eyeshadow fallout, you can use a big fluffy brush with a little bit of loose setting powder and just sweep that right away. Now I'm adding 2 coats of mascara to finish off the eye look. So moving on to blush, so pick up some of the coral blush color with a blush brush. So I like to gently pat it onto the center of my cheeks and then sweep it up towards my hairline and blend it in together. Now we're moving on to lips. It's important to start off by cleaning your lips of any lip products. If you have lip balm, chapstick, makeup, you want to wipe those clean. So I'm using a baby wipe to wipe my lips before adding my lip color. Once your lips are dry, go ahead and grab your red lip stain marker. Give it a good shake and start by lining your lips and then fill in your lips with the rest of the lip color. Let the lip color dry completely. It's very important to keep this lip color transfer proof. So you don't want to add any chapstick or lip gloss over top this lip color. You want to leave it in its dry matte finish. And the final step is to add your glitter. So using Mega Glitter, I like to use a Q-tip to apply. So just squeeze a little bit of glitter from the pouch onto that Q-tip and then spread it onto the side of your forehead, giving you that C shape. And that is your finished look for Diamond Xtreme All Stars. This is such a vibrant, energetic look. It's really gonna pop on the mat. So have fun this season. Sending you good vibes from Florida.